Ako din, gaya-gaya. What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Lovell Canyon. Dito tayo ngayon sa baba kasi medyo mahangin bukas ng maga. Dun sa taas. Yan, dito tayo sa baba. Lagi may tao dito lagi. Kaya hindi namin nakuha tong spot na to. But, yep. We're setting up right now. Dito tayo mag-bonfire. Yep. Set up muna tayo kasi malapit na yung 4:30. Iinom tayo. Na-late tayo. 4:33 na shot time. Buksan muna tayo ng malamig dito. We got, oh yeah, Asahi. Yes. Tubig ka lang, sir? Start out with this. Yun. Hayes, mag-shot na siya dito. Oh, careful for the kids. Yeah.
Hey.
Shot time! Yun. Oh, bago lahat. Shot muna tayo. Match ba? Match. Ay! Sir Hayes, pwede na.
Naisipan na agad ako, man.
Sinisipon pa. Galing pa ng yan, Echo Bay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hold on.
Cheers. Oh,
Yeah. Dinalang kita ng pulutin. Or chaser pala.
Oh yeah. Jeez, salamat. Oh. So, set up na natin to. Kasi mamayang gabi malamig. It's gonna be like what? Low 40s, 30s. So, keep ourselves warm. Diesel heater. Must have. Actually, lalagyan na din Hayes sa kanya. So, yun. Set up.
Patong. So, kaya side. Dito. Side na to.
Lalagyan sa taas sa'yo. Can I get a oh yeah? Can I get a oh yeah? Dalawa kita.
No, wait, hold up. I know how. Because.
Lagyan ng ating hose. Ito. Papunta sa taas. Ayun natin. Boss, finish
Uy!
contract. Tapos, of course, you're gonna have you need one of this. Jackery. Saksak mo lang dyan. Yeah. Power it up. Good to go. Heat. Sarap matulog. Yes. Woo! Guess who's here?
Presley, guess who's here? Sky.
Oh, look at your face. You're so excited. Oh, iniwan na. Where's my phone?
Yo.
Iniwan na yung telepono ko.
Yes, Sky, you're tall already.
Meron ng kalaro.
How's it going?
Mga atat yan. Pagka nagkita-kita, tsaka nagsama-sama. Yan yung mga bagong
Tangkad
tropa.
na.
Presley's lost
Just
her
your,
Taylor.
7 months.
Hindi siya nasama, may sakit eh.
We have not
Masakit siya.
Para.
Para.
We also got
So, Sky. What's up? Yeah.
Soul searching, fall apart. Tunnel vision, hiding in the dark. Well, I ain't gonna holler before I really bleed. Salvation will quick fix remedy. You said I never could change. I thought I never could change. They said I never could change. Damn right, I never would. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Just leave the light on. Dreaming of Nashville, Tennessee, while the cold here in Sweden got the best of me. Well, haven't I got better shit to think about than that shit? Like deadlines, rent's due, bills pile up, family day in, day out, the clock's mocking me, getting old, oh God, the kids deserve so much more than this, gotta get rich.
You. Okay.
Set up muna si JR.
Act normally.
Gotta do the old school.
We got golden Doritos? What? How do you know they make golden Doritos?
My favorite YouTuber would like that. He's a Roblox YouTuber. That's the only hint I give you.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. This is me and Randy. And bubuksan lang po natin yung kanin. Yan na yung kanin.
Alright. Luto na tayo. Yes, sir. Anong lutuin natin dyan?
Tinola, sir. Ngayon, binabalat na natin sa yote. Naninigas na yung kamay ko. Ang lamig, man.
Biglang lumamig yun, no?
Bigla lumamig eh. Kanina, sarap-sarap. May araw.
Did you edit the video?
We're filming right now, homie.
See?
Hey, you hear me? We're
Later.
filming right now.
I know.
Yeah, you're talking over the film. Kulit na ito. Pag mga bata talaga, unpredictable. Pero sanay na sila, marunong na sila mag-vlog ng sarili nila. Pero minsan pag na-excite sila masyado, nagkikita-kita, nakakalimutan nila yung ginagawa namin. Ngayon,
We can play this too.
eto na yung nakakatakot.
Chicken tayo, chicken.
Hey, sit down.
Laki nito, ah.
Madami siya eh.
Guys, we each get 7 cards.
Okay.
Okay. Sky.
No, you see the card. I'll do it. You can't.
Malamig.
Hindi ka simoy ng hangin.
Pakulo ako ng tubig para panghugas ng kamay.
Labas tayo ng ahi poke. Anyari?
Nanay niya is in the hospital, like just waiting.
What?
That's why Sean's not here.
Tayo. Ahi poke naman tayo. Tapos taco. Pulutan. Ito.
Ano lang, kaya. Nag-jetball ka na? Painitan.
Siyempre, mayroon tayong ahi poke. Oh, shake, 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 shake. Sa pulo, Hawaiian ahi poke, tuna. Tingnan natin dito.
Well, I don't know.
Elani, trade. Right there. Right there. Any of the other. Yeah. And then you charge the other one. Good job, buddy.
Ooh.
I feel like
GoPro battery.
Professional.
Shot time! Ready na natin to.
Yeah, I agree.
Dito na si JR eh. Tito J! Tito J is here! And we got an extra glass, di ba?
Yeah, I actually made it. It's actually bright.
Dati lagi madilim eh pag lumalating si JR eh.
Right?
Yan kasi mas malapit. Kaya maaga siya.
Buti, patapos na tayo minom.
Hindi pa eh. Meron pa rin to! Dalawa!
May kaduktong pa.
Oots!
super stoked.
Right.
Matched on Tinder. One thing you
Dito
should
si
know
Jay.
about me is that
Yan.
Pati cameraman kasali, no?
Siyempre kasali siya.
I'm working, sir.
Oo. Siyempre kasama siya dapat.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers,
Good
cheers,
time,
cheers.
boys.
Good times, good
Boom.
times.
Kids are playing back there.
Yep.
Dang, cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Kapow.
Cheers.
Ay, nainom na.
Nainom na.
Wow,
Oh, mahal.
wow.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh, shoot.
I guess I just slow.
Oh. I got it.
Woo! Woo! Nawala yung chaser ko. Asa na yun?
Dito ka.
Naka-prep na to. Titirahin natin yung tinola. Pagkatas na itong chaser.
Yes.
Masarap lang dito. May araw kanina. Ngayon bumaba na yung araw.
Pick a random one like you always do.
Gagawin natin. Marami kaming dalang apoy.
I'll read it.
Tsaka snacks. Tapos indian na to.
Yeah. Signan natin yan. Bro, try this.
Susubukan mo ako.
Sa'yo yan.
Hindi ka mabuksan. Ang dami kong hawak eh.
What? Very long hair with a beard.
Ayun.
Super stoked you
Okay.
One thing you should know
Perfect bite.
Bro.
I lock fingers.
Sabi ni Kuya Rai.
Hilaw? Hindi mo niluto?
Ilaw talaga yan.
Hilaw ba talaga na?
Ilaw talaga yan.
From D, no? Ngayon ang dumating sa
Ilaw
ano.
talaga yan.
Kaya hindi ko alam yung ganun kasi kararating ko lang galing
Wow,
Pilipinas.
Yeah.
About 25 years ago. Octopus.
Iba kay JR. Try din natin yan, siyempre.
Holy crap.
Healthy ba tayo?
Maanghang ton sa'yo, men.
Yung kimchi, mga
Nagising ako eh.
Siyempre. Yan kay JR.
Magkaiba yung kulay eh.
Perfect bite.
Mas mahal to, man.
Grade A. Grade A na to.
Oo, kita mo, pulang-pula oh. Pulang-pula.
Food coloring lang yan.
Yung sa kanya, ano eh, anemic.
Nangingitim.
Pero masarap yan, galing Hawaii yan.
Anemic.
Oo, galing pa Hawaii to. Huwag kasi kayong order ng Timu. Maliit. Ganyan kaliit oh.
Parehong presyo, nalugi ako.
Oh. Parang $30. 30. CBS. Galing Timu yata yun.
Dati.
Oh. Albertson. $30 din pero malaki siya. Malaki.
May dala kang kahoy. Alam mo, ba't kinukuha namin tong ganito? Kasi smokeless. Pagka namatay lang siya, tsaka siya mag-aapoy. Pero pag mahina na, batoy mo lang siya, aapoy uli. Ito yung nilalagay sa loob ng chimney. No, kasi outdoor yun sa'yo, indoor sa akin.
Gano'n ba yan?
Kaya mahal. Really, no?
May kasama pa tayo. Isa pa.
Tama-tama, oh. Pare, pabilog.
Tama, oh.
Pare ko.
Ay, maganda yung yung drone mamaya sa gitna. Pero it's stationary. Paikot lang siyang ganyan.
Sige. Tapos kahit bukas ng umaga, no?
Aha.
Oh.
Kahit ngayong gabi pa.
Woo!
Because you're the oldest.
You guys okay?
So it's not really running. It's just like
Walking.
you have this. No, you can run if you want.
What's up, Randy?
What's up? Buti si Sean, di makukurot. Naka-green siya eh. St. Patty.
Dito, Sean. Sean, dito ka. oh.
Ha?
Dito.
Okay. Move. Oh, St. Patty. Buti naka-green ka.
I know.
Hindi ka makukurot.
Pag gising na ito, tanggal kurot na eh. No?
Oo, hindi na makukurot si Sean.
Bawi. Bawi. Oh.
As long as your hands are on the brand.
Okay na yan? Balik pa?
Gusto mong bagong playlist?
Habang sila nagji-Jameson, tayo naman. Soju naman tayo, soju. Pang chicks. What the fuck? Sa kanila, masyadong malakas eh.
Nalabdinaw yung ano kami, sarado.
Alright mga bossing, so tapusin natin ng vlog natin. Medyo gumagabi na.
It's gonna take like 0 miles an hour. Wind. Dito, may spot kami kahit malakas.
Tapusin na natin to. Bukas,
So,
magluluto tayo.
inakit ko si Joyce Don. Bro, we hung out. Damn.
Sir, anong tawag dito sa...
This is AOR Australian Off-Road Sierra.
Yes. By the way, that's Glenn.
Actually,
This is imported from Australia.
Yun, no?
Wait, may bahay sa loob?
Wow!
Sa kabila. Dang, namamatay yung ilaw ko, man.
Sa loob walang ilaw. Ayun! What? Yun, no? Pwede mag-order ng ice cream?
Kape. Kape.
Kape tayo dyan, kape.
Tacos tayo. Magbibenta ka ng tacos.
You're gonna carne asada fries? Extra crispy, please.
That's a giant Dometic right there.
What the fuck is that? Extra large.
Jameson,
Wala naman yata laman eh.
may bacon. Walang alak, man.
Okay.
Right here, man.
Ayun pala. Asan?
Old fashioned.
No, pangalan niya yan, ha?
Ano may
Glenn.
kitchen lahat ah.
Live it.
Kitchen,
No,
kitchen.
like, if you break it down, Glenn is living it. Glenn live it.
Bro.
Fashion, let's go.
Kala ko malaki yung... Kala ko malaki yung Dometic mo.
Ginawa
Mas
pala
malaki
baby
to.
sa'yo?
Mas malaki tong Dometic na to.
Oh yeah, tanga na. Malaki pa yan sa mas malaki pa yan sa
Jumbo. Damn.
And then the solar's up there.
Ugos tayo pinggan dito.
Yan! Holy shit.
Ugoy, hi.
Parang hotel, no?
That's where the magic happens.
Kapal pa ng kotse, no?
Yeah, it's comfortable. Parang bahay, no?
Oo, bahay talaga siya. Tapos may heater na sa loob.
May heater sa AC.
May heater yan, tsaka ano.
That is so comfortable. May AC rin ata ito eh.
Yeah.
May AC rin yan.
Oh, dang.
May AC to Glenn.
Oh, shit!
Wala AC.
Holy crap. 55 grand? I will take it. Hindi na ako bibili ng Sprinter. Ano lang.
Grabe yung gawa ng Australia. Grabe yung gawa ng Australian. Australian is solid.
Cam, step up. Parang todo na to. May fridge ka na, lutuan. Tapos, magluluto ka pa. Oh, shit. Maglelebet ka pa, di ba? Saka pa. Wow. Tapos dito akit. Akit ka dito. Tapos, yep. Open this up. Wow! Damn! Stig. Forma. See-through. So, nakikita mo sa labas, nakikita ka din sa loob. Diba? Damn! Morning. Morning everyone. Ito, next day na. Medyo kagabi. Malamig ng konti pero naka diesel heater tayo so hindi siya masyadong lamig. Gawa na tayo ng kape. Coffee. Alright mga bossing, tapusin ko na itong vlog namin. Siguro hindi na kami magluluto for breakfast, but probably eat at Spring Mountain Saloon taco place. Alright, see you guys on our next video, alright?
That's it for today. Bagong gising, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, sir.